Ay Katialis Ointment and Soap, laging patok sa skin disease.
Racing just started. We have Ibarra break quickly at the start. King Amadeo, Ale, Okoboy in the middle. Owaki, Bonis Gem, then followed by Red Ransom. Vergara comes next. Don Paulo, then followed over by Grand Homer. Has Magic second last, while the man is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Ibarra by our length and a half. King Amadeo in second. Okoboy moving up on the outside. Owaki, then followed over by Bonis Gem. Next on that is Red Ransom. Alongside comes Vergara. He's the man. Don Paulo, Ale has Magic, while Grand Homer now racing lens back to the leader. We have Ibarra goes on by about 6 lengths. Owaki in second. Moving up on the outside, Bonis Gem, King Amadeo. Vergara comes next. Down on the inside comes Red Ransom. Okoboy, he's the man. Ale has Magic. Don Paulo, while Grand Homer is still racing less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Ibarra is still in control, maintaining 8 lengths lead as they swing for home. Ibarra followed by Bonis Gem in second. King Amadeo, he's the man. With about 100 meters up the race, we have Ibarra now increasing its marker to a double digit. And finally, it's Ibarra. Second is Bonis Gem. Third, he's the man. Then comes Grand Homer.
Has Magic, tapos close tayo for 6 ko.
34 ba? 15, 33. 32.
Wow, what a time. 17 and a half, 24, another 24. Finishing a blistering speed of 26 and a half. Siya lang, ha? 26.
You were saying?
132.
4.
Oh,